I don't see anything at all, Sheldon.
Now, you're the doctor, but I'm constantly hearing this annoying sound.
Me too.
Is it a high-frequency whistle?
No, it's more of a relentless narcissistic drone.
Yep, there's no inflammation at all, Sheldon.
Then it must be a tumor.
Seriously doubt it.
Maybe it's a lingering bacterial infection from all those childhood toilet swirlies.
Is that possible? I used to get those all the time. I mean, even in church.
Well, you know, if it is from a swirly, there's something I can do. Ready? Circle, circle, dot, dot. Now you have a cootie shot.